In this video, the discussion is about the MIS 605 Unit 7 and the JSON. The video I discuss about the JSON, and the JSON data is stored in the file that extends with the .json extension. In keeping with JSON's human reliable ethos, there is a simply plain text files and can be easily opened and examined. This is only a key to JSON's wide interoperability, as just about every language you can name can read and process plain text files, and they can be easily sent to over the internet. To understand this usefulness and importance of JSON, we will have to understand a bit about the history of interaction on the web. In early 2000, the interactivity on the web began to transform. All the time, the browser and server mainly a dumb client to display information, and the server did all the hard work to prepare the content for display. Like when we search for a particular person in the Google, the browser would collect all the data, and they send the other file, and the server did all the hard work. So a request would be sent to the server would prepare the information in the need as html, and the browser would return the html as a new page. This pattern was inefficient and required the browser to re-enter everything on the page, even if the selection of page had changed. Because full page reloads are costly, and web developer reloaded to the new technologies to improve the overall user experience. Meanwhile, the capability of making web requests in the background while a page was being slow, which had recently been introduced in the Internet Explorer 5, was proving to be a web approach to loading data incrementally for display. Instead of reloading the entire concepts of the page, clicking on the refresh button would trigger a would request that would load the background. When the contents with loaded, the data could be manipulated, saved, and displayed on the page using the JavaScript, the universal programming language in the browser.